So guys, we're gonna give her a bath. Kasi tignan nyo guys, oh. Tignan nyo. Ito po yung sasakyan namin. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Wala pa po tong ligo since the very beginning of the day. Tignan nyo guys. Ang dumi-dumi. At saka mayroon na itong guardia. Baby on board. Baby Yoda. So guys, this car sobrang dumi na po. Tignan nyo po. Never pa po itong nakaligo. As in never. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kadumi. Ayan. Kita nyo yung salamin. So guys, we're gonna be giving her a bath today. Kasi naawa na talaga kami. Sobrang ang dumi-dumi. Tingnan nyo guys. So, ewan ko kung anong kulay na to. Sobrang dumi. Hindi na ma-identify yung color. Look at this! This is just mayo. Look at that one. So, today guys, makakaligo na yung baby namin. Her name is Covida. So, let's go give her a bath. So guys, today paliliguan namin yung baby namin. Nakita nyo naman kanina ang itsura. Almost 1 year na siya guys na walang ligo. Wala lang. Tamad lang kaming pumunta sa car wash talaga. So today we decided na bibigyan siya ng Christmas bath. So papakita namin sa inyo guys ang drive-thru na car wash. So guys, here we are, Hot Shine Express car wash entrance. So we're gonna be giving our baby Covida a bath.
Let's go.
Can you just put it in neutral, please?
Okay.
Please.
Sanitizer, man.
Babe, can you do the music?
Yeah.
Adjust the music. Because I'm gonna be talking. So they will just do it? Like the car?
Okay.
It will just run? Oh my god, I don't know. I thought you have to drive, but you're not driving.
It's in neutral.
So guys, it started already. So it's free sock. So look at the window. We're inside the car. Just like I said, it's a drive-thru. So there he is, guys. Soaking our cars. Our car. Isa raman di ay. Isa lang pala cars. Ang dami-dami. Mga langga, first time ng sasakyan namin na nakaligo, nakaramdam ng tubig. First time. Sigurado masayang masaya to. It will just go? Oh my god, so cool. I'll just go, guys. So free soak, so kailangan siyang basain before kami pumasok sa tunnel. So kailangan basa siya. Kita nyo yun guys, so yan. Oh my God, umandar na silang lahat. Guys, first time. Sipin mo guys, malilinis na yung shishikyan. Ayan. Sa gilid. Halaka! So we're inside the drive-thru car wash, guys. Ayan, ayan. Finally, nakaligo na yung baby namin. Si Covida. He doesn't like the name. Ayaw niya yung pangalan na Covida, mga langga. So, ayan. Hala! Ang ganda! So, guys, I'm gonna show you around. Ayun, sa likuran. So, lahat, ganyan. This is so cool. Ayan, nandito kami sa harap. So, yun yung mga naglilinis sa sasakyan, guys. Meron din dito, ayan. Yung itim na umiikot-ikot, ayan. So, spray na naman. Ano na to mga langga? Banlaw na. Kanina sinabon tayo. Grabe, ang dumi. Brown talaga siya. Tignan nyo yan. Ang dumi-dumi ng sasakyan namin. So, ayan. Meron na silang thanks for splashing by. So, tapos ng banlaw. Banlaw na this. Thanks for splashing by. Ayan, blower na to. Ito mga langga, blower. Tignan mo yung blower. Kailangan ko to sa kapal ng buhok ko. I need this for my hair. So, tignan nyo guys sa mga nangyayari, oh. Nagbo-blow siya. Oh my God, look at this. Yung tubig, naalis talaga siya. Wow! See, look at the side. Grabe tong power ng blower na to. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan yung blower. Isa sa mga blower. Yan. So, guys, natapos na din ang paliligo ng ating mahal na baby. Yan yung car wash. So, tignan natin kung gano'n na siya kalinis. So guys, we're doing a walkthrough. Look at this! Oh my God, look how clean she is. So, it's finally clean. Even the tires, guys. Oh my God, she's clean. She's clean. So, look at the roof. This is the first bath. Ito yung pinakaunang ligo ng ating car. So, first time niyang maligo. Oh my God! Ang linis-linis. Ganito pala kulay ng sasakyan namin. And, hello baby! Nakaligo ka na rin. Finally. Oh my God, it's so clean guys. So, guys, ganito pala ang kulay talaga ng sasakyan namin. Nakalimutan ko na. Dahil sa sobrang dumi. So, it's finally clean, guys. Yay! So, that's all for today, guys. For those people who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit notification bell para updated po kayo sa ating mga future videos and vlogs. Have a wonderful day, guys! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!